All right, welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 hour to make the best game ever. Good, so, last session, we had troubles with the ID for the variable. We thought we can do it, but then there were troubles. Maybe we can do it if we combine a hash of the name and the description value. Maybe that will work. Yeah. Maybe not. Yeah. I don't know if the plus is a good idea or should we multiply it? I don't know. I'm not a hashing expert. Multiply or plus. Like, maybe it doesn't matter much. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe we should multiply the description by some value. Prime number for hashing. Good hash table primes. Let's ask our friend ChatGPT. I have a number and a string and want to hash them together with C++. What would be an optimal way to do this? Let's see what it says. std hash combine. Oof, what is I don't know what's going on. Okay, there's a seed. Hash combine. Hash number and string. Why is it so complicated? Hash combine. Okay, so there's a... Okay, so the seed starts at 0. Hash combine. std hash value. Yeah. Aha, so we also, the number will also be hashed. That's some magic. I mean, I've no idea. Simple and fast. Uses a well-known hash combining method. Okay. So what's going on here? This one is I forgot what the roof is. It's XOR, isn't it? XOR, yeah. So seed is XOR the hash plus this probably a prime number. Seed. Huh? Why is it shifted? Why is it shifted in two ways? What? Stronger hash with fewer collisions. I've seen this before. Yeah, XX hash. Can you explain what? Can you explain why hash combine is implemented the way it is? Why? Can you explain why hash combine is implemented the way it is? Question mark. Yeah. I'm curious. Yes, hash combine is based on a common hash combining technique that ensures good mixing of hash values. Okay, so the hash computes the hash, okay? So this bitwise XOR, yeah. New hash value with existing seed. Okay, this avoids simple concatenation, which could lead to weak hash functions. Okay, so I guess this plus number plus hash would be a weak or simple concatenation. XOR ensures that small changes in input produce large changes in output. Ah, okay, avalanche effect, I see. Golden ratio. Okay, the value is called golden ratio. It's a fraction of the golden ratio. Okay. This helps distribute hash values more evenly, reducing clustering. Okay. The golden ratio is often used in hashing to minimize patterns in values. Okay. Bit shuffling. Yeah, left shift by 6 increases randomness. Okay. Right shift by 2. Good entropy distribution. Efficient mixing. Boost hash combine. This approach is inspired by hashing methods from Boost hash combine, a well-tested technique. Okay. Okay, so there's like there's an origin of this. Okay, then it's fair. Okay. Good, let's just take it. Yeah, I really I don't know much about cryptography and hashing, and it's a very complex field of its own. Yeah. Okay, then let's put this function where. Put it here. Here at the top, maybe. Hash combine. Hash number and string. I don't think we need this to be as a function here. Hash combine. So what did he say? Boost hash combine. Let me see that. Boost hash combine. Combining hash values. Here, boost hash combine. How's it implemented? Oh, it's just implemented like that. There we see. There we go. Okay. Okay. Then let's make a comment here. Based on Boost's hash combine. There we go. Good. Then we take this here, and then we do ID with it here. This one ID, and then so we have a seed. Let's do var ID. Let's just call it ID. And we have ID, and the number, description, and this one should be that. Hash combine, variable base name, and return ID. Okay, that should work. Yeah. Good. And then here we do. Yeah, now the question is this short variable name. Full variable. Short variable name. Mangled. I wonder if we should create like a separate function, maybe. Yeah, maybe we should break it down into some smaller chunks of work. Yeah. Because essentially we need to have a short variable name. But yeah. Yeah. So this ID is built from variable base name. We're excluding context. Yeah. Function index. Yeah. Great. I would say we create new function. We should probably move this function down here to here. Okay, and then we create a new function. Std string create a full why is this complaining now? What broke now? I don't know what broke. Maybe this here, yeah. I see. So what do we want? We want a function that creates us pass them here. So we want one function that creates a short variable name and the full create full variable name, and we give it the function index and demangled. It's only used here, isn't it? Yeah. Mangled, demangled, mangled. Demangled, empty. Function index. Mangled. Yeah, let's pass const std string mangled and const std string. Maybe, hold on, maybe we can pass string view. Yeah. Yeah, let's pass string view. Oh. What the hell? Ugh. String view. Mangled std string view. Demangled. Okay. Okay, create full variable name and short variable name, and then we create these guys here and there and there. Okay. Okay, and then we will copy this stuff here. Yeah, and we put it into our new functions if we can find it again. Oh boy. Yeah. Okay. Create a copy here. So we are not interested in short and short and short. Yeah. Demangled. Yeah. And short. Okay. Somehow it is complaining about demangled. Ah. String view name. Okay. Okay. And then return this. Let's do by the way, this one. Mangled. I think we should put an assert here that mangled is not empty. Mangled. I think mangled should never be empty. We can put it up here. Yeah. I think you can do the same here. Yeah. Okay. So far so good. And here we delete the full one. Full. Hold on. Yeah. Full. Full. Demangled. Expects no demangled name. Assert. Demangled empty string view. Well, how about we just pass it directly? Pass it directly. And here, it's not a move. There we go. Assert. Return. Return short. Okay, and then we rename this to name. Then we remove this one here. We rename this one to name. Okay, so this one uses function, this one uses that, create shortware. This one. Mangled, demangled. This one can actually be static. Yeah. Mangled is not empty. Okay, I think this is correct now. Expects no demangled name. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and then the advantage is that when we can remove all this, and instead we call here create full variable name with mangled, demangled, and function index. By the way, hold on. For the other one, we don't need a function index, no? Short variable name, it doesn't require a function index. Oh, it does. If it isn't a function, then we take the mangled name. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we say mangled da da da. Okay, and then here we say create short variable name. Okay, this should work. Okay, and then basically what we now do is, instead of assigning it here, we do so we need a short variable name, right? So we take this guy and we put him here. SCD string short variable name equals that. Yeah. And then we can build now this one here, this ID. Okay, and then we take this short variable name and then we move it here because we can. There we go. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, so the hope is now that we get some pretty unique IDs here that allows us to even find the global symbols that have no address. Yeah. Good. Then let's see what we get here. This is, yeah, questionable, let's say. Yeah. Get variable name without context name. Angled. Oh my god. Create short variable name. Mangled name. Mangled. Mangled, demangled. Yeah. Let's put a breakpoint in here. I don't know if we should check with a short variable name here. Is there any reason that I used this approach? Get variable name without context name. Yeah, I think what we can do is use the short variable name here, right? Because that's what we expect. Base name is that short variable name. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's correct. Okay, then we can remove that here. And then, yeah, we will see. Yeah, so basically we don't want this to hit. If this hits, then it means this is ass, essentially. Right. Let's also put a breakpoint here to see if our hashing works, but should be. We will get some value, right? Ideally not a 0. Yeah. Okay, so we have a section, description, and no address, and this name. Okay, good. So we step inside, we have an ID starting at 0, description, so we have now some hash, some pretty big hash. And now this, and now we have some other hash. Yeah. Okay, 64-bit hash should be reasonably unique. Yeah. Okay. So we have this. We have an ID. I mean, there could be a var ID that is 0, right? I mean, in theory. I don't think we should have this assert here. We should remove that. Yeah. Let's try it again. No, section. No. Okay, so ID. Yeah, okay. And this one is not found. Okay, so we add a new thingy. We add description and a name and a section. Yeah. What about this address? Let's add it down here. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Let's step here through it. We have a name. This one is now empty. Full name. Okay. Has context name. No. Description. Section. Is a global one. The address is 0. Global. Okay. Okay. And then it steps down here. It's not a global. Okay. Good. Then let's see if we get any hit in here. Yeah. Okay, so we did find some match. Yeah. Yeah. We should probably also make a test here. Hold on. var ID, wherever ID. Yeah. ID. We already have the ID here. So how about we emplace here the var ID. And basically we want to have maybe unused auto results. Let's make this in a scope result, and then we make an assert result dot is first visible. Let's do a try and place first. First is, what is first? What is it, second, the bool? Man. Oof. What does it return? SCDP, my gosh. What does it return? Iterator bool. Okay, so the bool. Okay, so we assert that the second is true. All right. It's be explicit here is true. All right. Yeah, and we only have one name as well. Okay, let's see. We don't want to hit any asserts here. There we go. Okay, let's also make this try in place. Yeah. Okay, there we go. And this one, address to variable index. This one can be, there can be, no, there can't be duplicates because of this. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's see. My gosh, there's so much to take care of here with the variables. My gosh, so complicated. Okay, so variable index. Good. Variable. So this one is inside a function and the base name is the same. So that is not conflicting. Very good. It is not a global. The address is not 0. And it is not yet in the address map. Okay, so that's an interesting case. It already was added as a symbol, but it was not. So it should be a global, right? Hold on. Oops. Find address. Oh, this is wrong, isn't it? Should be identical. Find it. If address, if it is not found, then we want to emplace it. Yeah, I think that's correct now. Let's try it again. Good. So variable short variable name. Okay. And now we step in here. It's not. It is found. Yeah. It is found. Okay. Now that makes sense. Yeah. That is found. All right. So basically what happened here was, what was the symbol? Watch symbol here, this one. This copy value and here. So it would find the second instance here and that's already added, so it won't do anything with it. Okay, let's see if we get some other hits here. Okay, so let's now it's the point of truth. Will this breakpoint hit? I still a little bit suspicious. I think there's a chance that it doesn't hit, but if we're very unlucky, it will hit now. Let's see. Ooh, it didn't hit this breakpoint, but it hit some assert. Oof, oof, oof. Okay, well, what do we have here? Oh, right. No, huh? Okay, what is that bullshit? Huh? What? So there are two. Huh? Oh my gosh. So that. Okay, so this one has passed actually. But this one failed, so we have a duplicate. Wow. Wow. Oof. Oof. Hmm. 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 Key battle plan update. Copy. Let's search for that guy. There we go. Huh, look at that. There are two. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. My gosh. Oh, the edge cases. Oh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh my boy. Okay, well, then, huh, huh, huh. Um, then it means we need to have a multi-map. Yeah. So we have name to variable index. Which means string to index multi-map. Right? And so a name to function index. How do we do there? Oh boy. Oh. I can't even remember what we did here, man. This shit is complicated. Create new records. True. Functions. We should probably make this a function here. A standalone function. Because it's really complicated to look at. It needs a name. This needs a name, yeah. What do we do here? So we have a... Oh boy. What is this? Maybe it's better to not touch it now. We probably just break it. It looks quite delicate, to be honest. But yeah, this is a good candidate to actually have like a single function. Although it does quite some stuff here with this index here. Oof. Source file, function index, function index, source file, source files. I think what we should do in this function is pass a source file index. Right here, the SO index. Right. SO index. fun size t, oops, index t, source file index. there. And then we do, first of all, this source files, this, and we should probably put an assert source file index is not invalid index, and then yeah. Okay, and then here we would say source file function index. Does this actually ever hit? Let me see. Let's comment this out for now. Oh man, this stuff is complicated. Okay, it does hit, yeah. Demangled destructor. Okay. It's a second destructor. I see. Yeah. And that demangled. Yeah, demangled. Name to function index. Create new record false function index. Okay, so create new record is basically if function index create new record. Okay, so basically the function should return a function index, and it will look if this function name has, if this function is already in the source file. Ugh. Yeah. I wonder if we need something similar for the variable, where we say, where we do this exact same thing here. Maybe. Yeah, let's refactor this first and then think about it. Man, oh, it's so complicated. Okay, so this function, it returns, let's go slowly here. So it returns an index t, and it gets the function index. Yeah, get, yeah. Find function index for name and source file. And so basically we give it an std const std string. We don't pass a string view because we have to use a string for the map lookup, because that's a key. I don't know if actually passing, I don't know what happens if you pass a string view to a string. Will it construct an std string, or can it still do the lookup without constructing one? I'm not so sure. Okay, so this is a function name and index t source file index, right? And it should be a const function. Okay, then here we create that and that. Okay, and then we copy this stuff here and we put it in here. So this is return this, and then here we return invalid index, and here we do function name. Yeah, that's the one. Find function index for name and source file. And so basically what we do now is function index equals find function index for name and source file, and then we do demangled and source file index, and then we can remove this one, and then here we say if function index is invalid index, then we create a new record, right? Yeah. Okay, let's see how that works. Okay, function index for name and source file. Demangled. Okay, so this is start. Okay. Okay, so we got this one here. Function index is invalid. And now we have the same again. And now it should return this. Yeah. Okay, so function index is known. And then append to existing record. Yeah. Okay, this works. Yeah. Okay, great. I appreciate this. I appreciate. Mangle to function index. Address. Oh, we should probably have asserts here as well, no? These ones should be unique. Right? Try and place. Maybe unused. Auto results. Mangled. Oh, hold on. This is a multi-index map. Okay, never mind about this one. Actually, hold on. And place. What does it return? Conditional. Huh? What the hell? Conditional. The fuck? Multi. Bull. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have no idea about this address. Maybe we just assert this one here. Address to index map. Let's take this guy and put it here. Okay. Assert results dot second equals true. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. Okay, so anyway, this was just a refactor. Where are we? We hit an assert somewhere. I already forgot where it was. We hit an assert somewhere. Okay, I wonder if we still hit it now. Let's see what happens. Yeah. I'm kind of losing track of what is going on here. Oh my gosh. Out of control. Okay, we hit an assert. Okay. Oh, okay, but this is later. Okay, this is fine. Okay, let's yeah, we don't worry about this for now. Let's comment this out here. Or actually, let's just remove the assert. Yeah. So basically we want to hit this breakpoint to hit, yeah? Yeah. Okay, this looks promising. Let's take a look at our variables there. So how many do we have? 3,114, yeah? Looks reasonable. Let's take a look if they look good. So we got here a bunch. Okay, here we have a one and a function. Logic frames per second is real. Yeah. Global mouse, yeah. Variance 1. Let's look at this one here. So this one has also variance just 1. Okay. I think that's a bit unexpected. This one has variance 826. That is correct, yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's good. That's nice. That looks good, yeah. I don't know about the other one, why this one is only here. Hold on, let's search for it. Logic frames. Copy value. Logic frames per second real. Huh. But it's also here with 1 million entries. So why is this not... Okay, that I don't understand. Why is there only one? Oof. That I do not know. That I do not know. Okay, we need to look at that at some point. Okay, but we got no asserts. That's good. Okay, let's enable some more asserts, which we had already prepared. Now it is time for the asserts. Mania. Let's remove this one here. I think this is good. Yeah. Space. Okay. Where are we? Here. Pass sim. Okay, I think we can remove this stuff here. Right. We want to name to variable index. Yeah, so basically here we want to let's move it up here. So basically we just place it in the name variable index. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is correct. Yeah. And so, okay, so what we can do now is we can add this assert here. So the variable base name is expected to match this one. Yeah. Okay, that means our unique IDs now, they work. That's good. That's very, very good. Very good. I like that. So that's our way to link the G symbols to the S and B symbols, right? Because otherwise it wouldn't be possible, because the G symbols, they don't have a context. They don't have the context of the function, right? Yeah. Good. Then I think we can remove that as well. And then also here, this container. And then I think we can remove, we can put this here. Let's run this and see if that succeeds. Actually, we can simplify this to section equals section. There we go. There we go, section. Because here we already do this to fix section, yeah. So we need to do that, okay. All right. Oh. Oof. Okay. Data field pass. Oof. Cave contain module data. Build field pass. Data field pass. Data field pass. No section. M description 41. 41. Symbol. Description 41. Oops. 41. Data field pass V. Yeah. Variable. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Oof. Oh boy, what is this? Cave contain module, no section, M section. But is this a global? Hold on. What is this thing? var type is 0. Heh? Is that possible? Var type? Where do we set this? Here. Oh. It was a global. Oh, because it's... Oh. I think... variance. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Variable. Okay, to me it looks like we should put the type here and here. Yeah. Yeah. Let's we try and hit again. This is set. At least we want to have the type now. It's really tricky, this parsing. This variable parsing is nightmare. Absolutely. Absolutely nightmare. Okay. So, section is no section. But now we have a var type, which is 1 and 2. So it's a global and a... Yeah. Okay, I think what the thing is, it was first added as a global, which doesn't have a section. Yeah. How about we say... how about we say this is set... we can say simply either it is no section or the section matches. Yeah. Yeah, this should work. Yeah. Let's add an explanation. No section if added as global symbol first. And here we would have 0 address if added as global symbol first. Yeah. Oh boy, that puts a terrible formatting. Let's try that. Okay, we still get an assert. Const, no section. Oh boy. Oh, right. That's it. The inverse. The inverse condition. Right. Well, that's a bit of a strange situation. No section. No section if global symbol. Yeah. But then I wonder, is it ever possible that there is an update to a variable where section is section without a no section? I wonder. Maybe that never happens. Oh, it does happen. Okay. Well, then it's fine. Then it's fine. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, then this should now pass. Yeah, that passes. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, let's try the next one. No section of global symbol. Let me add here the comment 0. Address 0 if global symbol. Yeah. Okay, and then we do. I suspect we also have to say here address equals 0 or these are a match. That we don't have a variable m address. Oof. Ooh. So what we can do is function variant address function variant. Yeah, I wonder if we should have functions to like find these. So, because I mean, we're also using it here in, so in this function, find function index for name and source file. Name to function index. Oof. Okay, for variable, I would say we do variable variant, find variant, and then we do uint64 address, and we do for variant if variant dot address equals address, then return variant. Otherwise return, hold on, why is this complaining? M address. Otherwise return null pointer, right? There we go. Yeah. Maybe we should put this into the CPP and we're a little bit cleaner here. Variable. Put it here. Size. Variable. Maybe we should also have a const variant of this. Const. Return. Oof. Const cast variable this find variance address. Okay, and then we can go ahead and then we can say here variable address 0 if global symbol find variant address it's not null pointer. Okay, what is he complaining about? Variable has no member m address. Okay, but I already changed that. Let's see. Let's put a breakpoint here. M address. Find variant. Address 0. Okay, well that's not the case then. So if this is 0 or find variant address, it's not null pointer. Actually, is that true though? Because we actually add the variant down here. So I'm not sure if that is true. I don't think we can actually check that. No, we can't check that, no? I think this assert will hit. Yeah, likely. Oh. I think this will hit always, pretty much. Yeah, I think that's a useless assert. Oh. Address, variable, variant. Okay, I'm mistaken. It works. I have the suspicion it will hit though. Yeah, it does. Let's see. Okay, so here 808 address. Yeah, so this is a different variant of it, yeah, which will now be added. So yeah, I don't think we can make this assumption here. Yeah, I don't think we can make this assumption. Yeah, I don't think we can have this assert at all. I could be wrong, but yeah. Okay, but we can probably have some others. So we have this one here, that's good. What about this one here? This one was strange, right? Let's do a const expr mutually exclusive var types. Yeah, mutually exclusive var types. Var type uint8t. And by the way, is this? Yeah, it's also mutually exclusive. And then we put these guys in here. And then we put this, and this. And then we can remove this and that. And we should probably put this here. Like that. Okay, let's see. Let's see what that does. Okay, now we don't need this comment anymore because it's in the name here. Oh, that's good. Yeah, I don't know why this would hit because it should not. It should not hit. Huh, it does not hit anymore. Okay, good. Well, then it's fine. Good. Maybe it was a missing parenthesis that broke it. That could be. I don't know. Okay, so yeah, this looks good. Can we add some more asserts? What do we set above here? We set the var type, the section, the description. But the description is already part of the var ID, so we don't need to check that. No, I don't think there's anything else. No, I think that's it. We test the section and a bunch of things to just verify that it's really the same thing. Yeah. Yeah, and then we update the var type with a new type so that we know it's a global or some other type thingy. Variable index. Variable. Okay, this looks good to me. I think we can remove this. No section if global symbol. Yeah, we can keep that comment. And okay, down here, let's put a breakpoint here. So this should hit when it puts a lot of variance in there, like it does for this frames thingy there, real value or something. Yeah. Seconds per logic frame real. So this one will have multiple variants added. Very many. Yeah, which is interesting. Okay, so how does this look then? Let me see. Let me clean up a little bit down here. Section simple. Where are we? Variable. So it has no parent namespace. Blah blah blah. Okay. It has the var type is 4. So it is. What does that mean? 4. It's not global. It is static uninitialized. Yeah. Static uninitialized. Description is 60. And it's always the same description, right? Yeah. Well, it must be, yeah. And so variance, yeah, it adds a different parent source for. Okay, this looks good to me. Yeah. Very good, very good. Okay. I think this is good. What about this one here? Address to variable index. So we have multiples that link to number 6, which is what index is this? Number 6. Okay. That makes sense. So we place multiple address, but this one should be unique, right? Yeah, it is unique because I didn't find it. Yeah, it is unique. Do we actually? It always goes in here apart from. Yeah. Okay, no, this is correct. Yeah. I think this is all correct. Let me group this closer together here. Let's remove this here. And yeah, it looks pretty decent. This one here is a bit unholy, but it's not an error. It's just Visual Studio being extra pedantic. But this is not supposed to be treated as flag. This one, this type. Yeah. This is not wrong. We can remove the space here. Local static variable in file. Yeah. Do we need to do anything extra special here? Don't think so. Global. Hold on. No, right. Yeah. If it's not this, okay. Variable and function. I think it's correct, yeah. Now the only question is there was some oddity about something, yeah, we need to look at the data a bit and see if there's any oddities. There was something odd with one of the early values, right? Variables here, something was wrong with this one here, because it only has one variance, and that is strange. Description is 59. Yeah, that's strange. So we have 3,114. It's a lot. It is a lot, yeah. So name to variable index. That's not very useful to look at. Address to variable index. Address 200662. So here we have 3114. 3114. 3114. Okay, so this. Okay, so address to variable name. Yeah, I think, yeah, this makes sense. It matches, yeah. And var ID to variable index also, yeah. Okay, okay, address to variable index. That is lower. Does that make sense? Address to variable index. Huh. Yeah. I think it makes sense because of these NKG symbols, for example, right? Which are in the function. So there won't be... So these sit here in the functions, and they don't have addresses, and there's no NKS or NKV. Well, there's junk, but that's not NK. So that's why we have less address to variable indexes than actual variables. Yeah, but I guess we will fill this to 3,114 to the max when we do the other pass variable function, where we pass the other symbol, because then yeah, I think then we can link all, and then all containers should contain the same amount, I think. Yeah, I expect that we get all of these to the same number. What about the function one? Mangled and address and name. This makes also sense. Yeah, this makes also sense. Okay, this looks really promising what we are doing here. It's really complicated to build these, to build this. Yeah, but we make small baby steps here, right? Yeah. Okay, can we clean up a little bit here? So this one will be to implement. Yeah. And let's look once more at our function. Parsum. Yeah. Okay, so we have mangled, demangled, yeah. Variable index is invalid here. By the way, this one, invalid, we should probably put type, hold on. Variable index, variable. Yeah, we should put an assert here. Variable index is not now. There we go. Update and verify existing variable. Yeah. Index. And then I don't see. Interest to variable index. Right. There still was this one error, right? With the we look at this in the next session. Yeah, I think I will take a break now. It's been 1 hour 40. Yeah. So okay. So there are 2 action items. We need to look at the list why this one variable is not in multiple source files. So there's something wrong. And then I think once we have this sorted, then we can proceed with the parse function, parse variable function. Yeah. Should we add a bit more documentation here? Add new variable, update and verify existing variable. Process non-global variable. This is really unholy here. Stop it. Stop it. Yeah. I think it's because I did this here, and so it expects that we treat it as a flag. Yeah. Probably. Okay, but it looks good on the surface. Yeah. All right, I will take a break here. And then I wish you a great day or night until next time. Goodbye.